figured I'd make a quick video on how to handle these straps, and in particular these tension straps. You know, how to wrap them, roll them up, have them be easy to use for the next time. So, typical strap, yeah. You take the end that doesn't have, has the long strap on it. I usually roll it up in the direction of whatever label's on there so the label doesn't get damaged. So you roll it all the way up. It's almost there. Okay. Get it straight once you get towards the end, and then I like to take the strap and just pull it taut. Get all that extra slack out of there. Okay. Alright, so that's that part. I'm just going to go ahead and set it down. Then we take this part. And all you do is try to roll it up the best you can, but the goal is you want to get it sitting flat underneath. Okay, the actual compression clamp here. And so we're going to take this piece again. We're going to take this, set it on top, and we need to be able to wrap this once all the way around and then get it back in a little bit on the second time around. So this isn't quite enough, so we're just going to take one more roll off, and that'll do it, right? So again, you've got this, then you've got this on top with the opening facing outward. We'll take this end of the strap and we'll go ahead and push it through. Okay. And pull it through. Pull it a little tight. Okay. Then bring it all the way around the bottom again, bring it back up. So you've just wrapped it around again. Okay. And then you're gonna put that back in as well. Pull it taut, and then you can tighten it up as much as you want. The point is here it is. It's convenient, it's not going to get tangled up. It's here the next time you need it. It stacks nicely, and you can do your typical ratchet straps exactly the same way. The only difference is instead of pushing it through and trying to pull it taut, the second time you come through, you're going to give it a couple clicks. It'll be tight. You'll know it's done. It'll actually be tighter than these, and you'll be set for the next time you need it. Hope this helped.